Here is a simple and tasty radish pods, Mongray/Mogri, with chicken recipe, Pakistani-style poultry herb. Radish pods with chicken, Mongray chicken. Ingredients: chicken, a ½ kg with or without bone. Radish pods, Mongray, 250–300 g, washed, ends trimmed. Onion, 2 medium finely sliced. Tomato, 2 medium chopped. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Green chilies, 2–3 slit. Yogurt, a ½ cup. Cooking oil, a ½ cup. Cumin seeds, 1 tsp. Turmeric powder, a ½ tsp. Red chili powder, 1 tsp, adjust to taste. Coriander powder, 1 tsp. Garam masala powder, a ½ tsp. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander for garnish. Method: 1. Prepare Mongray. Lightly boil radish pods in salted water for 5 minutes, then drain. This reduces bitterness. 2. Fry onions. Heat oil in a pan, add cumin seeds. Add onions and fry until golden brown. 3. Add chicken. Add ginger garlic paste and chicken. Fry on high heat until chicken changes color and oil separates. 4. Add spices and tomatoes. Add turmeric, red chili, coriander powder, and salt. Add tomatoes and cook until soft and oil appears. 5. Add yogurt. Lower flame, add yogurt and mix well. Cook for 5 minutes. 6. Add Mongray. Add boiled radish pods and green chilies. Cover and cook on low flame for 15–20 minutes until chicken is tender. 7. Final touch. Sprinkle garam masala. Mix gently and cook 2–3 minutes. 8. Garnish and serve. Garnish with fresh coriander. Serve hot with roti or rice. Tips: if Mongray are very thin, do not boil. Just wash and add directly. Adding a little lemon juice at the end enhances flavor. You can make it dry, buna, or with gravy by adjusting water. If you want, I can also share dry style, spicy restaurant style, or pressure cooker version smiling face with smiling eyes.